Hello everyone, it's Frances from Your Book of Memories. I've got another project to share with you guys today. Super excited about this because I was able to create 3 different projects using one 12 by 12 paper pad. Simple Stories Faith. Unbelievable. 2 of my version 2 gatefold folios made with this paper, and also this folio album. Oh my gosh, a folio mini album. I'm in love with this paper, tons of cut-aparts. And I put a lot of cut-aparts in this album as well, so that's super awesome. I did use black as my base this time for this book instead of craft like my other 2, but I am just in love. I've got some sheer gold ribbon here from Walmart, some wood veneers. I believe I purchased these at Hobby Lobby, little hearts. And of course I got some of my chalk marker little dots going on. I have my favorite lace trim from the Dollar Tree, and I popped this up on some dimensional foam tape, and I added some cute little twine, also from the Dollar Tree, the cotton twine on the spine here. I just tied a little bow, and some more of those wood veneer hearts. Here's the back, super cute floral paper. I love it, love it, love it. And I just made a little flower. I actually wet this flower with some water, crinkled it up, and added, the punch flowers in layers. And then I smudged some paint on there. Super awesome. So, when you open this up, oh my gosh, I did add a little magnet here to keep this flap closed. It did get a bit chunky, but that's okay. It's okay with me. So, another cut apart here, super cute. I just mounted it on some black cardstock. This flap opens up, and the magnet is under here and under this design paper and this design paper, okay? So you have places for photos right here. And on the inside, and I have a little tag. Chalk marker lines on the back, super cute little pocket. And I do already have a tutorial on how to create the base construction of this album, so you can check that out. I'll leave it in the link, in the description box. That's what I'll do. So then this opens up again. We got a little vertical waterfall right here. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. So amazing. I double matted, okay? Because the cut apart sheet is only 4 by 6, so I had a mat with 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And then put the cut apart on here. So that's kind of cute. You put your photos on the white part here. Oh my gosh, look, I love the feathers. I'm in love. I actually added this pocket in the back to keep some more tags in there. Just trying to use all my scraps up. 2 cute little 2 by 2 photo mats right there. And then we got like a little journaling spot. You open this up again, there's a little booklet on the side, cute little pocket, some more of the lace. 2 photo spots here, and look at how cute. Great way to use scraps. Look at this. Cute little booklet I made. Unbelievable. I just love it. And here again, I use my envelope punch board to make this little notch. Another way to use your scrap pieces. I'm in love. I'm in love. So you close this back up. And on the right side is this cute little file pocket. I fussy cut around this adorable little sheep. The Lord is my shepherd. Unbelievable, okay? Tons of cut aparts in here. Super cute. Of course, I use my circle punch to make my tabs right there. And then this is a flap and it opens up, and I got some little photo mats here. I did use the Hobby Lobby little Paper Studio punch, my little scalloped heart punch, and then I fussy cut around just a regular solid white cardstock. And then I fussy cut this out, blessed. And again, I double matted here with white cardstock, and then I added the 4 by 6 cut apart on top of that. When life gives you more than you can stand, kneel. Isn't that adorable? Wow. I added some twine to keep this closed. It's not really necessary, but it's decorative. And then there's a pocket back here. Oh my gosh, Hope, Faith, Love, Charity. Look at this. Unbelievable. So these just go right back here. Knock and I will answer. This is a little door. That is so cute. And then you just close it back up and tie it up. That's what I created, another folio mini album. I do have a tutorial on my channel using the Simple Stories Faith 12 by 12 paper pad. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye.